Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a listen to me now trend on CapCut with your Roblox avatar. So first of all, what you need to do is film some videos. So when you are on Roblox, you want to find the emotes. So the first one would be godlike, and you want to buy it and screen record your character. You want to find a emote shy or any other which basically would look something like so. There wouldn't be much movement, and also you want to go ahead and for example, choose a video which shows a hand really well. Now you're gonna open up the CapCut and start a new project and add your video. You just screen record it, and now of course you want to cut it when it starts. For example, let's split it and delete this first part. Now transform this, choose a transform, resize, and now you want to resize this just like so. Choose an aspect ratio, and now as you can see my my avatar doesn't fit really well, but I'm just gonna leave it like so. So you choose 916, choose OK, and now right there choose aspect ratio and choose 916, just like so. Now once we done that, you want to go ahead and add an audio. So I'm just gonna click here, and I have that listen to me now here. So I'm just gonna add it. And now you want to also mute the clip, which you have added previously. And now we want to adjust this listen to me now audio. So first of all, you want, of course, cut the clip where it ends. Just split it, and we don't need the last part. And of course you want it to start like so. Now we want to tap on the audio and press beats, so that flag over there, and you want to auto generate it. And we will need to delete few of the beats, so maybe we will delete the first ones. And you want to listen to this audio and delete the beats, so it would drop just something like so. And now we're gonna add them here. Cut your clip on every single beat of those. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, and where it is the beat, I want to split it again with a second beat, and you do this through the whole video. Now where it is the start of the video, you want to zoom in, leave it like so, and with the second clip going from the start, I'm just gonna zoom it out a little bit. Now the other clip, zoom out even more, and the first just like so, and now this one like so. As you can see, it zooms in. Now what we want to do is add a wobbly black effect and make it for the whole video. So I'm just gonna click effects, video effects, of course, and you can just write it down, wobbly, and just search for it, wobbly black. So we want to put it on the whole video, just like so. And now once we put it there, now we want to make it through the whole video. So I'm just gonna add it like so. Now we want to add a white background, so it would be like an overlay. So let's go ahead, click overlay and add white background. And now let's put it on the whole video. And you want to adjust the length to be from the start of the second clip, right there. And the length also has to be basically this first and second beat inside of them. So it would look something like so. Now we want to put an animation here, so click on that white background, click animations, and choose out and fade out. So we want to do this. Now you want to also choose splice or blend, and choose soft option right there. And now, as you can see, we have this, and now you just want to copy and paste your paste this white background through the whole beats, and don't adjust the length, just basically go ahead there at the end and duplicate it and add to every single beat, as you can see. And that's what you do through the whole video. Not through the whole video, but just on these first ones. Now here at the end, you want to shorten this flash white overlay and add it through the whole video, so it would be a little bit shorter clip, and that's it. Now you want to screen record this entire project, so I want to go ahead and do that. And now let's go ahead and create a new project and add a black background. Now once we added this black background, you want to just add that audio again on the sounds and that you have extracted or have on device. I'm just gonna add it like so. And you want to adjust it. So it would start at the start. Also, we need to change the aspect ratio. So you go ahead to aspect ratio, change it to 916, like so. And now you want to add overlay, which would be our video, which we have created. And here it is, we have created. Now we want to zoom it in a little bit, like so. Maybe a little bit more. And leave it like so. I think this would be okay. Maybe a little bit lower. Now, you want to put the volume down and this one too. And you want to, again, maybe let's leave it like so. You want to go ahead and add the beats to this audio. So let's click on it. Just like so. And on the at the end, you will see the beats. Again, you want all to generate them and adjust them. Now you want to make that black background stop when the beat drops. So somewhere around the middle, I'm just gonna split it and delete that last part. And now the middle is when the beat drops, somewhere here. Now, what we want to do is add that video that you recorded of the shy emote or any other that you have chosen. So you want to add it to the main track after the beat drops, and again we want to split it where it ends, so somewhere here, and let's just delete it and add it like so. You will not see it now, but basically that's how it will look like. So you want to add it when the beat drops, and now you want to here add the keyframe on the overlay. So and don't forget to make the speed of this clip. The speed of this clip needs to be 0.2, just like so. So we want to go ahead and adjust it now, like so. I'm just gonna put it right there. And now I'm gonna split it and delete it and just leave it like so. Now you click on that overlay and you want to add the keyframe at the beginning and on the end of your clip. So let's put it here and right there. Now you want to keep the chosen keyframe, the second keyframe, and you want to make this clip rotate. So I want to put it somewhere here. Adjust it as much as you want. Maybe let's put it somewhere here on the last keyframe. So here it is. Now it's working. And once we've done that, you want to add the overlay of your screenshot of your hand. So now you want to transform it or crop it like so. And let's resize it a little bit so it would look way smaller. Basically, you need only a hand. I'm just gonna leave it like so, adjust a little bit. And now we want to remove the background. So there is an option, remove background and chroma key. And you want to now pick the color of this. And let's adjust the intensity. And we also want to remove another color. I'm just going to quickly do that. And now you want to move this hand with the keyframes. So for example, when it starts to rotate, we want to put that hand. How it will look like. So we can play it and basically see how it looks like. Basically, you want to adjust it and crop it as you wish. You also want to add a retro effect on the filter. I'm sorry. You want to add a filter right there, and you want to find the filter on the retro section right there, and it's called VHS. To apply it and do the same for the main clip and for the overlay. So, and the last thing would be to go to the effects. Maybe we're gonna search for it right there. You want to search for black flash and add it. And now you want to go ahead and adjust it for the whole video, of course. And now click on object and select all. Select all like so. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.